Hello, family. If you're watching this currently now, I will say welcome to the AfriOne Life ecosystem. I want to take this very particular time to appreciate you if you've registered. But if you've not registered, we'll definitely encourage you. And also, that's why this very particular video is done for you so that you can understand what the AfriOne Life it's all about. AfriOne Life literally is an ecosystem that is powered by AI in terms of helping your daily livings become very sophisticated and easy for you to be able to navigate. With AfriOne Life, we have various services inside that very particular product, which is powered by WhatsApp and also by Telegram. I know some people will say, why this very particular tool platform and not the app? The reason why is because we want it to be easy for you to be able to communicate. We understand that a lot of people literally may be having challenges in them getting an app on their phone, either because their space of their gig is not available that much for them. And so because of that, we've incorporated this very particular stuff into your WhatsApp or probably your Telegram, depending on the generation where you find yourself. And so with that being said, AfriOne Life, literally, we offer various services from property to marketplace, from marketplace to hospitality, security, insurance, healthcare of things. We have the legal side, we have the ombudsman, we also have the financial side of things, investment, and also advisory. A lot currently now is what is happening on the AfriOne Life. And if you are going to register and join us on this very particular platform by default, especially if you register as a country Nigeria and as a citizen of Nigeria, you automatically get a free insurance policy that is covered by AfriOne Health on your behalf. And with this being said, which means we're trying as much as possible for us to be able to get all Nigeria, whether Nigerians in Nigeria or probably Nigerians outside of Nigeria in the world called diaspora Nigerians. But as long as you registered with the country Nigeria, then you are covered. Another reason why you need to be able to join this very particular platform is the fact that we have an ecosystem which is known as Chat to Cars. On Chat to Cars, you'll be able to register your car on our platform and then be able to communicate with other car owners in terms of either stolen vehicle, reporting bad driving, renewing your license, and all of those very particular things that has to do with your car and also with communicating with other car owners. One of the things I like about this very particular platform, which I choose to believe that you will also enjoy it, is access to professional services. The ability for you to come on the platform for you to search. Either you are looking for financial advisor, you're looking for mentors, you're looking for sponsorship, especially with the AfriOne Invest, which is our crowdfunding platform that is available on AfriOne Life. This platform is robust. All I can say to you is welcome. If you're still contemplating on why you need to register, please hear me. You need to register on this very particular platform because it's going to make your life easy. On the security side of things, let's say, for example, you are exposed to a security threat. All you need to do is on AfriOne Life, you just go to the SOS site and call for emergency support. And for as long as you are a subscriber, literally, a security personnel will come to your place, make sure that you are safe and take you back home. With this being said, if you have not registered and you're watching this very particular video, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you have questions you want to ask for clarity and verification, please, you can use the number currently now available on the screen for you to be able to call directly. But in case you want to onboard, the onboarding literally has two platforms. And if you're watching this video right now, it's either you're literally on the welcome page of the chat or probably you're watching this on YouTube, or probably on one of the social media platforms that AfriOne show is currently on. With that being said, the two platforms that you can be able to communicate with us on this very particular platform is WhatsApp and Telegram. The Telegram handle, all you need to do is to go to your search button and you type at AfriOne Life BOT. At AfriOne, AfriOne is spelled AFRIONE. Life is LIFE, then BOT. So at AfriOne Life BOT. And if you're using WhatsApp, this is a number that I must encourage you for you to keep at any point in time, regardless of the country you find yourself. And I can tell you point blank, one thing with AfriOne Life is the fact that it's a global platform. You can be in Tanzania, you can be in Mauritius, you can be in UK, you can be in Comoros, wherever you find yourself, you can still be able to access AfriOne Life. The number on WhatsApp is +44 74 954 77705. I repeat again, +44 74 954 777 That's the number for you to use. And in case if you literally want to use our website, you can go to AfriOne.Africa for you to be able to have access to the whole ecosystem of what we're currently doing. One more time, welcome to the AfriOne Life. And I'm looking forward in terms of us having a secured Nigeria, having a secured Africa, and having a secured global view of things. In terms of business, one more time, you can be able to communicate. I think this just came to my mind right now, but you can be able to communicate, which means when you get yourself registered on the system, you then have a unique ID that is going to be given to you, a unique ID where you can use to communicate with other users on the platform. A unique ID will be provided. So which means all your information is safe. And hear me, family, it only take from as low as 10,500 Naira for Nigerians. And for South Africa, it's as low as 350 Rand for Nigeria. And also for Rwanda, it's literally less than 15,000 Rwandan francs. For other countries, literally outside of these three countries, literally with less than $15 monthly, you are literally active on the AfriOne Life platform. But this being said, I look forward to having you on board and also sending you your welcome package when you get yourself on this very particular platform. I remain your host, also the founder of this very particular project, known as the Afropolitan Apostle, Darlington Steve. Thank you. And I look forward to having you on board with us.